Hello everybody, my project name is Complex Predator Prey Model in Africa. So this project is mainly related to having a hunter and grazer model in Africa. So as an introduction, I have like 5 animals in this territory. So mainly water buffalo, zebra, antelope, crocodile, and lion. So those 5 animals are unique animals. So they live in the same environment. So I'm trying to find out how they coexist in the same environment with using a net logo model. So I had some references which I read and got some understanding of how a grazer model and a hunter model works together. So I'm trying to implement that programming into this project. Next, I have some key points for this project. So the main idea is like learning about this complex predator-prey model, how unique and it is. After that, understanding a general understanding of hunter and grazer model, which we already got from the assignment 5. So after that, this learning about the habitat of these 5 animals, and then I will try to understand how the assumptions and coexistence work, and I will be focusing on the net logo model after that, and after that I will do analysis and procedure understanding in my project. So all these points will be discussed compulsory in my project, but here in this presentation I will be going through some of it and try to give you guys a better understanding on what I'm trying to do. So after that I have some sliders which I did with my data. So mainly there are 5 animals which are antelope, zebra, lion, water buffalo, crocodiles, and those sliders have the same stuff, which is initial antelopes, birth rate of each animal, and gains of food from food. So after that there will be 2 additional sliders which are grass growing rate and rate of rain. Next, I'm going through the net logo model, which is a unique process which we did it already in our assignment 5. So my idea is to build 5 different animals for this scratch using turtle shapes editor. So I created my own shapes. After that, I built a lake. So because the crocodile resides in the lake, so after that I try to find out what kind of a rain which going to take place. Now this is the most important part, because in order to have a complete project I need to have certain assumptions, unless it will be it won't work properly. So I had some assumptions which is mainly related to their habitat. As example, for lion I had like 50 energy for moving, dive and becomes 0, energy becomes 0. So how they catch an antelope, zebra, water buffalo, and how they attack crocodile, and certain way for the all the 5 animals I have implement certain assumptions in order for me to write the code within the net logo model. So after that, this is how it was looking in my projects. The net logo model looks very good. I was happy with it. So I had like 5 animals. You can see like water buffalo, zebra, antelope, lion, and crocodile. So crocodile resides in the water area, but he try to come after that when the population grows. So I have antelope, zebra, lion, water buffalo, crocodile, all these sliders, and grass growing rate, rate of rain as well, so people can see. So next I had the animals, which this is a picture which I got closer, so it was very helpful for me to understand how it works. So this is one of the graphs which I got from the net logo model. I had a couple of scenarios which I tested, so it was coming okay. So I had some discussion which I compulsorily wrote it in my project and analysis. So I was mentioning about certain ways I could improve the project. So after that, I had a conclusion about how these 5 animals coexist in the same environment, and I was working on it. So these are some of the references I had in the project. So thank you so much for you.